Chicago has issued a tornado warning. Chicago has issued a tornado warning. Hazard, tornado. Both tornadoes and extensive straight line wind damage were producing both tornadoes and extensive straight line wind damage were located along a
Veronica.
To those caught without shelter, multiple homes will be damaged or destroyed. Radar indicated rotation
U.S. Attorney
is likely. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 8:30 p.m. At 7:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Spring Grove or near Fox Lake, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Pleasant Prairie, Paddock Lake, Camp Lake, Winthrop Harbor, Twin Lakes, Genoa City, Silver Lake, Salem, Bristol, Paris, Brighton. Storms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin. A severe dangerous storms will be near Round Lake Beach, McHenry, Round Lake, Fox Lake, Lake Villa, Johnsburg, Lake Mirror, Twin Lakes, Spring Grove, and Long Lake. Severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kendall County in northeastern
Illinois, northwestern Livingston County in central Illinois, central Warsaw County in north central Illinois,
northeastern Illinois until 8:45 p.m. At 7:43
p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Marseilles to Western,
moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Ottawa, Streator, Morris, Channahon, Minooka, Peru, LaSalle, Braidwood, Coal City, Marseilles, Oglesby, Diamond, Seneca, Gardner, North Utica, Wayona, Mazon, South Streator, Braceville, Tonica, Grand Ridge, Natlade, Godley, Lawston, and Ransom. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for north central and northeastern Illinois.
A severe thunderstorm.